It's okay. We down the Hobbit. What? No. Or vicious. No, the Hobbit is the blue one. It's clearly highlighted.
Hobbits and orcs.
Shit, we're trying to play with paper here.
3 hobbits and 3 orcs arrive at a riverbank and they all wish to cross on the other side. Fortunately, there is a boat. But unfortunately, the boat can only hold 2 creatures at one time. Also, there is another problem. Orcs are vicious creatures, and whenever there are more orcs than hobbits on one side of the river, the orcs will immediately attack the hobbits and eat them up. Consequently, you should be certain that you never leave more orcs than hobbits on either riverbank. How should the problem be solved? It must be added that the orcs, though vicious, can be trusted to bring the boat back. So your 3 yellow papers are the orcs, your 3 blue papers are the hobbits, and you're trying to figure out how to get all 6 of them from one side of the riverbank to the other side of the riverbank.
And these 2?
Yes. Apollo 13 is based on the true story of a mission to circle the moon and some of the challenges they faced in equipment and personnel and all sorts of, like, if it can go wrong, it did go wrong type of a thing. And the challenge was to bring these people home alive. And so there's 3 separate short clips here that are each a minute or less. And it talks about problem solving. And the last clip is demonstrating the idea of functional fixedness. And that is
Because then one will go, then you're going to have to take 2.
I know.
And then this orc brings this back. No, because then he'll be alone. This guy comes.
Yeah, because this guy comes back.
No, this guy's dead.
Take the yellow one. The yellow one.
No,
No,
this guy
he's
comes.
alone.
trip across the river and back through the river. Okay? So you can see the green are the orcs, the purple are the hobbits. So at the first trip, 2 orcs. Converge means to come together. And convergent thinking is kind of the standard point A to point B. Everything is kind of always the same and linear, and the way most people problem solve is convergent thinking. Okay? Divergent thinking is going away. It's what we consider outside the box thinking. Okay, creative people tend to have an easier time with divergent thinking.
Well, sorry, we'll get that. How do we get our people home? They are here. Turn around, straight back, direct abort.
No, choose one, and we gotta come through. We gotta find a way to make this fit into the hole for this, using nothing but that.
Problem on the shuttle, and they had to build a filter using only clearly what was available already on the shuttle, because you can't get materials to them in space. So that is dynamic problem solving, divergent problem solving. Definitely have to think literally how to get a square peg into a round space and using just the materials they had. Okay. So that idea of functional fixedness, how can I look at something whose purpose is, for one, a nail's purpose is to be nailed into the wall, to build structures, to hold things, etc. But how can we look at this in a different way? Okay, how can we look at whatever the item is in a different way? And for some people, it's really a challenge to think outside the box. Okay, for some people, I see a nail is a nail. Its sole purpose is the only thing I can use it for. So it takes some effort. Other people can really, kind of wrap their minds around a variety. You have 12 smaller nails in this rubber band. Okay, and you cannot use the rubber band. So you have to find a way to balance these 12 nails over the head of the nail on the main nail. Everybody has to try. Of course it's getting to the trick. Thinking of a way to get yourself to it.
I tried.
We gotta balance these 12 nails on top of this.
Okay.
Okay. So we had a solution, and we're gonna show it to you. Okay, are you ready? You ready for the solution? We're gonna be geniuses on film. Help me.
Oh, we're gonna do this?
Yeah, we're gonna show them on camera. Make it opposite me. Here, over there.
Always one person. We still solve it though.
Help me push it.
If you push it,
Make sure it doesn't fall.
it's not gonna fall. Just hold it. Boom.
Wow. Now why are you doing this? What's the point?
What was it called?
Yeah.
It was about like thinking outside the box. What's it called? Like algorithms, thinking beyond algorithms. Camera.
And my class is like dead silent.